Hello, hi everybody. It is day 30 of studying Martin every day. Let me make it 30. Okay. So it is day 30. I already hit day 30. So that means I'm doing this consistently in 30 days, which is a month. So yeah, I'm so grateful to be honest that I have reached this milestone. And I believe I can like take it further, maybe a year or maybe more than that even. And I believe in myself and I believe in like I can show up every day without missing a day. I don't know like the destination. I don't know what's gonna happen in the future. I don't know if I'm like what is gonna happen after an hour, or maybe if maybe I will, die or something else happen to me. So unless I'm not unconscious, as long as I got mind and as long as I got like, energy to do something, uh um I'll show up, okay? No matter what, I'll show up, no matter how busy I am. Even like I'll show up like even 10 minutes, like just to keep the consistent on and just to keep the streak on. So yeah, it is day 80, and like before this day I didn't share with anybody like that I'm doing this, and not anybody, to be honest. I shared it with maybe less than 4 people. I think it is only 3 people. So yeah, but I think it is time to let everyone know that I'm doing this shit. Like I don't want them to praise me and say like you're doing this and you're doing that. I don't need attention, and I don't need like people to congratulate me or maybe to like compliment me. I don't need all of that. So yeah, I'm just like, yeah, it is the time that I can share with maybe family, friends, or maybe coworkers, and I don't need attention, and I don't need anybody to like to glaze me and to compliment me. If you're gonna come into the comments, I already know what you're gonna say. You're already gonna say, yeah, keep the consistent on, like yeah, or maybe like keep it up, or maybe you're doing a lot of like efforts, and you will say all of that, and I know, and thank you so much, but I would like you to don't even say it. Yeah, maybe you can just like my videos and you can just like skip it, and without saying anything. Maybe you can watch me solve some problems, but yeah, it's fine. And yeah, I'm so glad, to be honest. I'm so glad. I think it is the first time that I'm doing something consistently in 10 days. So yeah, yeah. Also, I'm planning to record like a short video of me talking about math and stuff. I don't, not math, but like basically like why I'm doing this, and also like my math background, why I'm suck at math, like why I'm bad at it. Like it will be like a short video, just like less than like 3 minute video. It would be less than that, but I just decided to do it, and I'm gonna do it. Like it's kind of hard for me to just to talk, I don't know what I'm saying now, but I'm still talking. But I want to make that video. So you guys, thank you for your support. If you like subscribe with this, and if you like one of my videos, and if you like say something positive about me, thank you so much, and I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Okay. And one thing to keep in mind, guys, I'm not doing this for people. I'm not doing this for attention, and I'm not doing this just like because people are gonna believe in me that I'm hard worker or blah blah blah. I'm not. I'm doing this for myself, and I will keep doing it. And that's why I didn't share with anybody. I just wanted to maybe prove that. I don't know, and I didn't want it to get a dopamine hit at the first day, because like if you want to achieve a goal and you talk about that goal at the first day, your brain will take it as you achieved that goal already, and I didn't want that to happen. So I'm gonna say it again. Yeah, I'm not doing this for people. I'm doing this for myself, guys. And yeah, that is what it is. So let's stop yapping and let's start our first session. It is day 80, and it is a milestone, to be honest, and it is something that I have to be proud of as a human being. So let's do it together. and I'm like maybe damn as I'm doing maybe progress, but yeah, I'm still like not that level yet that I can solve like stuffs, and yeah, it is what it is, man. Also, I got a new wallpaper though. What about it, guys? I'm acting like a mathematician now. But yeah, let's do it. I just like downloaded this from this website. I think the wallpaper. I mean, so yeah, there was a problem that I was stuck on. It is this one. So dude, I'm not gonna give it a shot now. I'm just like gonna skip it. I'm gonna go to the second lesson or maybe the next lesson. The next lesson. And I'm gonna come back to that lesson. I'm gonna come back to it. Maybe I don't know. Maybe off camera or something. I'm about to go back because like I didn't get the whole information yet. And like I think word problems are something like that I get stuck most of the time. Yeah, it is something that I have to work on. So yeah, let's get into this lesson, which is like saying edge problems. So let's start the timer first. Let's start the timer first and let's do it. So these days I'm on caffeine, like I'm doing it like every day, I think, since I think this week I'm drinking a cup of coffee early in the morning before I start my math session. Yesterday I wasn't like steady. I was yesterday I think I wasn't not I think, but like I wasn't studying early. It was at noon. So yeah. But like yeah, I drink it like a cup of coffee or some coffee. Coffee. Let's do it. Let's do it all. You all let's do it. Hoy, hoy, makan mala.
In this video, we're talking about age work.
Okay, well, welcome back to some problem solving.
Oh my gosh, the whole time I was in a mute. Oh, damn. Okay, so Avril. So Avril will be twice as old as Eric. So Avril is 12 years older than Eric. So in 5 years, Avril will be twice as Eric. Okay. I don't know where this wave will go, but like Avril will be, which is plus I think A. Okay, Avril will be equals to twice as old as Eric. So this equation alone, this part is just like Avril will be a equals to twice as old as Eric. Okay, 2 times Eric's age. That's how old he will be. A so yeah, I don't know how to put it in, but yeah, I tried my best, something like that. Okay, so because Avril is 12 years older than Eric, we can write, because Avril is 12 years older than Eric, so Eric's age plus 12, we can write this. Okay, A Avril equals to, okay, that. So in 5 years, Avril's age will be A plus 5. Nah man, like I wouldn't come up with this like forever, even forever. I don't know, guys, but like I was talking the whole time, by the way, and I was in a mute. I didn't even know that, to be honest. But you guys, I'm so bad at like word problems. Like not even now, like forever, man. I don't even know if this is just like me, but like I'm so bad at it. Like the problem is I cannot make an equation off of the like word problems. I cannot convert, or maybe I cannot change the word problems into mathematical problem. That's what I'm missing. Like that's what is hard and difficult for them. That is something, you know, that's a lot tough for me to do it. So I don't know like how I'm gonna, you know, improve on this, like, you know, certain topic. But I think the only thing that I have is just to go maybe Reddit, maybe you know, forums, just to know what people said about it, and if there is like, you know, if or if this is just like a common wall problem, which is like, you know, something that everybody face it, and you know, overcome it, you know. So that's what I need to know, to be honest now. So yeah, so this time I believe. So yeah, in 5 years Avril's age will be, okay, I'm not even gonna keep reading, man. I'm just like solving word problems. Akar kalar ya. My friend's calling me. What up? Okay. So Should I take this like long? Okay, how to solve world problems? Like, what the heck's that? Right up. Search, Marlin. I thought it was something else. So, by the way, like going a private, don't wanna leak anything. Can I go in a private window? Can you guys see? No, you cannot guys see it. So I'm so sorry. But yeah, I wanted to go on Reddit and maybe see what the people said about it. But like, let's take this lesson, guys. We're gonna take this lesson.
In this video, we're going to focus on solving age-related word problems, like the one you see on the board. So, Sally is 3 times as old as John. 8 years from now, Sally will be twice as old as John. How old is John?
Right up. I think, well, let me come up with this, dude. I'm doing this one right. System of equations. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. And we are in June. So I just wanted to end, or like maybe to finish algebra 2 in this month, by the way. Okay, so, and what I'm planning now is just like to learn word problems alone in a whole week, you know. That's what I'm planning to do here, you know. So can I make it? So there will be 2 weeks left for the month. Will I be able to study these 2 sessions? And they are long sessions, to be honest. Although graphing is just like that long all the time, but yeah. But will I be able to make it? Will I be able to finish this section and this section in this section? 3 sections, by the way. 3 long sections. It is already 2 it is 12 hours of, like, you know, content. Will I be able to finish it? I would probably say no. So yeah, man. Okay, so it is what it is. So now let's check this.
So there's 2 things you need. In this video, we're going to focus on solving age-related word problems, like the one you see on the board. So, Sally is 3 times as old as John. 8 years from now, Sally will be twice as old as John. How old is John? So there's 2 things you need to be concerned with: the present and the future. So I'm going to put Sally.
Completely different tables, by the way, the one that's doing on this one.
And John. So Sally's present age, we'll call it S. John's present age, we'll call it J. In the future, that is 8 years from now, Sally, her age will be S plus 8. She's going to be 8 years older. And John's age will be J plus 8. So now we need to write an equation for the present and the future.
Like what? Like
In this
what?
video, we're going to focus on solving age-related word problems, like the one you see on the board. So, Sally is 3 times as old as John. 8 years from now, Sally will be twice as old as John. How old is John? So there's 2 things you need to be concerned with: the present and the future. So I'm going to put Sally and John. So Sally's present age, we'll call it S. John's present age, we'll call it J. In the future, that is 8 years from now, Sally, her age will be S plus 8. She's going to be 8 years older. And John's age will be J plus 8. So now we need to write an equation for the present and the future. So at the present, Sally is 3 times as old as John.
Like I cannot see, guys, if I make this, so let's leave it like this.
So at the present, Sally is
So Sally is 3 times as old as John, right? Sally is 3 times as old as John. So it is S equals to 3 times J. I think that's what it is.
3 times as old as John. So that means S is equal to
3 times J.
3J. Now, 8 years from now, that is the future, Sally will be twice as old as John.
So this is the present. Okay. But like 8 years from now, which is the future, Sally will be twice as old as John. Okay, so Sally S equals to 2J basically, yeah.
So S plus
S.
8, that's Sally's
Oh yeah, okay, I forgot that part.
age in the future.
Equals to
It's going to be 2 times John's age, which John in the future, he's going to be J plus 8. So these are the 2 equations that we have, and we have 2 variables. Whenever you have 2 variables, you need 2 equations to solve for those 2 variables. So let's use substitute.
So guys, wait up. So Sally is 3 times as old as John. Sally is 3 times as old. So we got a table. The first one, like the first row, we're gonna put like, you know, the present, and the second one we're gonna put the future. So Sally, John, and the equation. So okay, got it. So Sally, we're gonna have it as S, and John also as J. So yeah, forgot about that. It's just like that's what we have. But like in the future, but like in the future, Sally will be S plus 8, which is like 8 years from now. plus S, you know, it's just like her current age plus 8, right? And John is also the same, but like in this case, in the equation, so Sally is 3 times as old as John, so which is the S, you know. So it is something which is like current, it's just like something which is present. So yeah, Sally is 3 times as old as John. That's it, simple. But like 8 years from now, Sally will be twice as old as John. How old is John? So Sally will be 8 years from now. It's just like, still we have to keep that in mind. So S plus 8 equals to Sally will be twice as old as John. Sally will be twice as old as John. How old is John?
Let's replace S with 3J
S equals to 3J. Okay, got it.
since S is equal to 3J. So we're going to have 3J plus 8 is equal to 2 times J plus 8.
Always the equation is just simple. I don't think so the equation is that hard.
On the right side, let's distribute the 2. So it's going to be 2J
Like
plus 8.
I don't mean like making the equation is simple, but like I'm talking about solving the equation is kind of simple all the time, but like coming up with the equation is just like where the challenge is.
16. If we subtract both sides by 2J,
Yeah, it will be J.
let's make some space.
Okay, this is the most important part, but like yeah, you're gonna get the age of John. So like I can't even like do it in like I go J 8 and get minus, so it's just like 8. Okay, so John's age will be yeah, how old is John? So J equals to 8, right? And then Sally's age will be 3 times as old as John, so which is 24. Sally's age is 24, right? And in the future, it's just like so simple. It's just like something. The equation is just like when you find the equation and when you build this equation, everything gonna look simple and easy. But dude, this won't sound like that. So I'm about to erase all of this, like the way that I was doing, and I'm gonna try to use that table. You know, I'm gonna try to use that table. So yeah, let me make it bigger a little bit. So will I do the table every time that I'm solving this then? I don't know, but yeah. Will the line be straight if I do like if I hold shift? Nope. We need to get a straight line. This is not straight line. I filed that. So it had like what, two rows and 3 columns. I don't know if it was like this, but yeah. So this is the present time, which is now, and the future. So right here we got E, which is Eric, and A, which is Avril. So now we're talking about the present. Okay, Avril is 12 years older. Okay, we don't have the age of E2. Yes, we don't have like E. So instead of saying E, we can just like and say Eric and April. So this is the E, and this is what? This is the A. So okay, and let's get the equation. So right here, which now, okay, April is 12 years older. April is 12 years older than Eric. So we're gonna say A is, that means it is equals to 12 years older than Eric. 12 plus Eric. I think that's how it will be. Okay, is 12 years older than Eric plus E. That's how it is. That E was not nice, so Eric. Okay, and where? Okay, gonna come to the future. Okay, so in 5 years, April will be, okay, which is like E plus 5. E plus 5. So in 5 years, April will be twice as old as Eric. How old are Eric and April now? So E plus 5. So in 5 years, April will be twice as old as Eric. Okay. So yeah, April is just like also a plus 5, I believe. So let's make the equation then. So in 5 years, April will be twice as old as Eric. In 5 years, April will be twice as old as Eric. So is it like A plus 5? How am I gonna do this, guys? Like, okay, April will be twice as old as Eric. So like A plus 5 equals to okay. Still like this, April will be twice plus 2 E. Am I right? I don't know. So in the future, let's come to right here in 5 years. Okay, let's see this one too. Okay. So how can I write this in mathematical equation? In mathematical way, Avril will be twice as old. So it's just like A equals to 2 times the age of right. Yeah. So I think I don't need that A kinda. So all I need is just this. Which is like 2 times E, which is like Eric's age. So I don't know. Okay, A equals to 12 plus E, like A plus 5, E, E plus 5, okay, so E in the future is just like that. So I think I was kind of close, but yeah, I think I'm getting used to it now. I'm doing better than before. I'm not doing good yet, but like I'm doing better than before. So now let's do something about it. It's already A, so let's see A equals to 12 plus E equals to 2 E. Nah, that's L. E plus 2 L's. What am I doing even? Like, what? So A equals to 11 plus E plus 5 equals to 2 E plus 5. So this is 12 plus that, which is like, 17 plus E equals to 2E plus 10. Bring this on this side, which is minus E. Minus E equals to, goes to the other side too, which is minus 7. So I got minus E equals to minus 7 divided by 1 and 1, which is like E equals to 7. So let's say E equals to E equals to 7. So let's put 7 right here and also right there. So by the way, Eric is 7 years old now, okay, and Avril was already 12 years older than Eric, right? So 12 plus 7 equals to 12 plus 7 is how much? Like 12 plus 7, which is 19. I believe it's 19. So yeah. So what about in the future? Eric is, so let's say Eric is Eric is 19 Eric is 7 years old. And Avril is 19. Okay. So we got that. We got that. Okay, we got that. So what is next? We need the future, right? So in the future, Eric is 5 years from now. 5 years from now, Eric's already, how old is he? How old is Eric? 7 plus 5, which is 13. 12, I mean. Yeah, he will be 12. Yeah. Eric is 12. After 5 years. And A, which is 19. 19 plus 24. Okay. And April will be 24. It's like 12. It's just like 24, yeah. Okay, so this is the future, by the way. Okay. So let me use this equation now. I'm gonna erase this just to get some space. So A plus 5 equals to 2. E plus 5. So equals to, I'm gonna evaluate the real, values for the variables, right? So A equals to 19. 19 plus 5 equals to 2. E, which is 7 plus 5. So this one will be straight away like where it is 24, and this one equals to 2 times 7, which is like 21. This is right. Even you can add this, right? You can add this, which is why 2 times 7 is just like 14. Or maybe you can even add this, which is like 12, and 12 times 2, which is like 24. It's just like the exact same thing. So yeah. So let's see it, guys. In 5 years, Eric will be 12, and Avril will indeed by twice as old as Eric. It's like, yeah, same as that. So yeah, I'm gonna keep doing this, like literally, dude. So now let's take a break. Let's do our second session.
Let's make some space. Debate. Let's make some space. 3j minus 2j is j, so it's going to be j plus 8 is equal to 16. And if we subtract both sides by 8, we will get John's age. So John is 8 years old. Now let's find Sally's age. This is John's present age, by the way. So John is 8. Sally is 3 times as old as John. So 8 times 3, her present age is 24. Now what about in the future, 8 years later? John will be 8 years older, 8 plus 8 is 16. And Sally will be 8 years older, 24 plus 8 is 32.
I'm about to do.
So
I'm
as
about
you
to
can
save
see,
this.
in the present, Sally is 3
No, I'm
times
gonna
as old
save
as
this.
John. 8 times 3 is 24. But in the future, she's going to be twice as old as John. 16 times 2 is 32. So everything makes sense. Which means that the final answer is 8. This is John's age at the present. Here's another one. You could pause the video and work on it if you want to. So,
What up?
Kim is 6 years more than...
I think this is also the exact same problem. But like, I don't want to use this because like it is not thick enough. I want, you know, like the line is. I want the line is to be thick, you know. So I'm gonna do like a scarlet draw, and also I do eraser. There's another one, I think. Scarlet draw. Alternative. Like diagrams. Let me see this. Nope. Big Charm from Figma. Yeah, nope, that one too. Let me check this one. Sort of like, they don't have a web version, right? Cross-platform. Wow. Let me click right here. I have to download it. I don't have a web version. I need a web version. But it's one thing and it looks good, to be honest. What about this? found the warp. Okay, so let's check this one. Lilywood or something. Official website. Butterfly. Okay, getting started. What we can do is let's use this. It's gonna take me some time till I'm gonna use to the okay. This one is way too thick. I don't know if I can make it less than that even. It's just one maybe two. Okay, I like it. It's not that bad. Yeah. They also have what? I cannot. It's gonna take me some time to get used to it, right? Okay, that one is undo. This one is what? Okay, eraser. So, okay. Lasso, you're gonna cut something, I believe. Then you can move it around. Like this one. I can lasso it. I can do this and I can put it right there. Wow, it looks good, to be honest. Doesn't look bad at all. It doesn't look bad at all. So what is this though? Is it the zoom? Oh. Okay. So anything should be deleted. How can you move around with the hand? Okay. Not that bad. So yes, I'm good to go. So now here is the what was the problem? What? Okay, here is it. Okay. So Kim is can I take screenshot? Copy it right here. Wow, yeah, everything is amazing then. So I'm gonna okay, Kim is 6 years more. Okay, Kim is 6 years more than twice Tommy's age. 2 years ago Yo, chat. The electricity just like went out for a second. I lost my whole progress. I literally wanted to get to get a water, and then have to set everything up again. Not day 40. It's day 30. Not 40 even. It shouldn't be 40. So everything is all right. So let's start.
She's going to be twice as old as John. 16 times 2 is 32, so everything makes sense. Which means that the final answer is 8. This is John's age at the present.
I cannot hear anything though. Why?
Here's another one. You could pause the video and work on it.
Basically, I cannot hear anything.
If you want to. So
What?
Kim is 6 years more than twice Timothy's age. 2 years ago, Kim was 3 times as old as Timothy. How old was Kim 2 years ago? So we have the present to deal with,
First of all, I cannot hear anything.
and we also have the past instead of the future.
I'm looking for what's wrong.
And we have Kim,
Let me plug them in and plug them, I think, off and then in again.
and Timothy, which I'll just say Tim.
The problem, like the headphones, then let me test them on my phone. They kind of work
And we'll
fine.
put the equations on this side. So Kim's
What? Ah. Just like refresh the lesson. Now everything's just the same.
and we'll put the equations.
Wait. Dude,
So
what?
Kim's present age, let's call it K.
What the 5 line?
Timothy's present age, we'll
I
call it
cannot
T.
even see my
Now,
speaker is
2
way here.
years ago, Kim, her age is going to be K minus 2. And Timothy's age 2 years ago is T minus 2. Now, what is the equation that we should write?
I'm not even getting the. I'm wasting time, dude. Allow ads. What do you mean allow ads? I'm not gonna allow ads. Okay. So just. Oh my gosh, dude, Microsoft Edge is just like so nice. Oh my gosh, I'm about to use Firefox. What up? Why they making me annoyed, man? Okay. Have to get the like hertz first, right? They're not even giving me like options, like an actual options. Microphone, headset. The whole option is not like, it's not a good option for that. Is this flip coded? Looks like flip coded. light on, but like I have to select the my headphones, like my audio output device. Right up top. Yeah, I cannot even see my headphones in the output device. Okay, what a shame, man. Like, any chance that something happened to them? Cause like electricity just like went out and then came back, I mean. Hope I got a battery in my headphones. I mean like AirPods. Guys, checking. I got 50% in it. And yeah, 50% won't even last like less than yeah, I'm going to use only one, maybe. Only this one. And I cannot hear anything too, like that as.
The present. At the present, it says that Kim is 6 years more than twice Timothy's age.
Yeah, I cannot even see my
So
these
K
ones
is going to be
in the
6
output
more,
devices.
6
Well, like
plus
what? Like
than
what?
twice Timothy's age. So 2 times.
I think I'm about to turn off the whole like PC again and like maybe restart it, like to restart the whole thing. So we're up.
Years ago.
So
Kim,
let's
her
do
age
it
is
now,
gonna be
guys.
K
Let's do it
minus
now.
2.
Looks it
And
is working
Timothy's
fine.
age 2 years ago is T minus.
It looks it is working fine now. Yeah. Like it made me frustrated though. Oh my gosh. Um. The fuck is that? I cannot even study something, and then they calling it a country and a city. How is it possible, dude? They cannot like even make the electricity of the city like reliable and also like powerful. This is so weak. Sometimes like the LTB, like what is called the RGB, yeah, the RGB, like the lights of my coming out of my PC, just like same, just like the BSU and basically the RGB. It's just like turning off just because of like the light is so weak. Yeah. So bad. Yeah. So bad, man. It's one reason that like it is a proof that I'm unlucky to born in this fucked up country, man. I think they even like have to call something else, not a country. They have to just call it like another name. They have to absolutely change like the entire name. They shouldn't call themselves a country. You know? Oh my gosh. Oh.
How old was Kim 2 years ago? So we have the present to deal with.
Wait, let me go back to this. Okay. Just like gonna do this. And then notice call. Day 30 maybe. So let me come to where? Right here again. Nope. How can I add a picture or maybe a file or maybe or something? When I add this, like I wanna add it to the import. Okay. Nice. Okay. So let's do the line, guys. We're gonna do the line. So and also I think no. What if I do Control Shift? Nope. So we got Kim. So let's read the problem first. Okay. Kim is 6 years more than twice. Okay, Kim is 6 years more. Kim is 6 years more than twice Tommy's age. 2 years ago, Kim was 3 times as old as Tommy. How old was Kim 2 years ago? So Kim is 6 years more than. It's just like Kim is 6 plus 2 times Tommy's age. Is that how it is? So let's get our variables first. So it is Kim and who? Kimoto. What the heck is this name? Like I was pronouncing Tommy. Let's call him Tommy. I cannot pronounce that name. So Tommy's age. Okay. And what's equation? So this is the present, not the future at this time. This was the past. Let's call it past. Okay. So Kim, this is Kim's age. So now it's just K, we don't know it. So Tommy's like I don't know the name. Just like let's call him Tommy as I said before. So Tommy's name, so I think Tommy's age now is we don't know it all. Because like yeah, they didn't mention it anywhere. So this is Tommy. And the equation is present, which is like Kim is 6 years more than twice Tommy's age. So K, which is like Kim is 6 plus is 6 years more than twice, which is 2 of what Tommy's age. So past. So this is so okay. So let's come to the Kim. So Kim. So 2 years ago, Kim was 3 times as old as Tommy. 2 years ago, Kim was 3 times as old as Tommy. So 2 minus. So Kim was what? 2 years ago. 2 minus Kim was 3 times as old as Tommy. So 3 times T, which is the age of Tommy at that time. And T, so Tommy, Kim was 3 times as old as Tommy. How old was Kim 2 years ago? So Kim was 3 as old as Tommy. So what about Tommy though? So we just use team because like they didn't give us any. To be honest, they didn't give us any equation. That's what I think, right? Because like Kim is 6 years more than twice Tommy's age, right? So 2 years ago, Kim was 3 times as old as Tommy. So how can we make like Tommy's equation? I think we don't have like something like that. 2 years ago, Kim was 3 times as old as Tommy. How old was Kim 2 years ago? Can we just use the how old was Kim 2 years ago? Like I don't know. Don't know how to form this, dude. Kim is 6 years more than twice Tommy's age, which is like 6 plus 2 Tommy's age, right? So 2 years ago, Kim was 3 times 2 years minus 3, right? Kim was 3 times as old as Tommy. How old he was? Okay, so this is the past, so let's just say 2 minus T. That's what we're gonna say. Okay. So 2 years ago, Kim was like 3 times as old as Tommy. So let's maybe use this, guys. I don't know, but like, yeah. I cannot get it, man. Okay. Like, doing it like this to be, I don't know. I think it's just like it is. So in the past, I think we need this. So minus 3 t equals to maybe this. The whole brain's fried, man. I don't know. How old was Kim 2 years ago? Oh, it is 2 minus. Okay. No, 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Kim was 3 times as old as Tommy. How old was Kim 2 years ago? What about Tim? What up 2 years ago, Kim was 3 times as old as Tommy. What up? What up 2 years ago? 2 years ago, Kim was 3 times. Kim was 3 times. Kim was 3 times as old as he. Just this is the K, which came, I think. Like there is something that I'm missing, I believe. Okay. There is something that I'm missing. Okay. What up? I think it will be like this. I'm not sure. Not kinda sure, but like yeah, I think this is. So it is scheme equals to blah blah blah. 2 times as okay. So it is, then let's use this equation. I'm gonna lasso it again. So I'm gonna copy. I don't know how I can copy it, but I duplicate right here. Dude, this is W upside, to be honest. If it is very different, like I'm gonna be like it. So 2 minus k is 6 plus 2 t equals to 2 minus 3 t. So it is 2 minus, okay, 6 plus 2t equals to 2 minus 3t. So this alone will be 4 plus 2t equals to 2 minus 3t. So this 3 should go to the left side and it will get plus. So it's just like plus 3t plus 3t, by the way. So it will be, this will cancel. So 4 plus 5t equals to 2, positive 2, it is positive 2, right? So this is my Yo. This is the 30th time. Like, I cannot do it more than this. I swear to God, I cannot do more than this, you guys. I cannot do more than this, okay? It is the 30th time, I guess, that, like, the electricity got weaker and my whole, like, you know, PC restarted again. That, like, I hope this type of, like, this poor electricity who provides us the electricity, you know? It's just like, or maybe the power plant. I hope their shit electricity won't harm my PC, okay? I hope it won't be like issue to my PC that maybe it can cause it like to die or something. I hope they are shit. And we pay money. The lights, like the electricity is not free. We pay money, okay? But yet, you cannot even like use your computer. You cannot even use your like IC. You cannot use nothing. That's what a corrupted country, fucked up country does to a people. Like, they cannot even like say something about their, like, you know, electricity providers, and there's only one. It's some type of a monopoly. It is. But yeah, that's what it is, man. And I'm about to finish this session right here. I recorded maybe three videos. Now I'm about to, like, you know, combine them together and then, you know, make them like a one long video. But yeah, it is so sad and disappointing, to be honest. It is sad and disappointing. So see you all, and I hope everything will be right tomorrow. So see you.